So two sides of a plot measure 32 meters and 24 meters, and the angle between them is a perfect right angle. The other two sides measure 25 meters, and the other three angles are not right angles. Find the area of the region. I wanted to just try it out once, and then we'll anyway discuss. Okay, guys. So first step is I join this red line. Okay, when I join the red line, I observe that guys, I have a right angle triangle here. ये angle 90 degree दिया हुआ है अपने को. Now guys, 24 is 3 into 8 and 32 is 4 into 8. So by Pythagorean triplets, ये बड़ा वाला side क्या होगा? 5 into 8, which is nothing but 40, right? Okay. Now, if you observe, यहाँ पे एक triangle दिख रहा होगा आपको. This triangle here, guys. This triangle has the two sides as 25 and 25. It's an isosceles triangle. So from the isosceles triangle, we know that अगर हमने apex या हमने vertex से एक perpendicular drop किया, it bisects the base, right? So ये दोनों क्या होंगे? 20-20 हो जाएंगे, right? Okay. Now again, you can apply triplets, guys. अगर ये 25 है, which is 5 into 5. This is also 24 into 5. So this perpendicular side will be 3 into 5, right? So your perpendicular side is nothing but 15. Now let's talk about the area of this red triangle first. Can you see the red triangle? Okay, one side is 24, the other is 32. So area is half into base into height. Now look at this upper triangle. For the upper triangle, again the height is 15 and the base is 40. So area is half into 15 into 40. Add these two areas, you get 684 as the required answer. Let's go on further, guys. The ratio of sides of a triangle is 4:5:6, and in radius is equal to 3 centimeters, and altitude is dropped on the largest side. Find its length. Okay. Now, since we are given the ratio of the three sides, let's assume the three sides as 4, 5, and 6. Okay. It is given, guys, that they're dropping a perpendicular on the largest side. Okay, that perpendicular will be the height or the altitude. So area will be half into base into height. So half into 6a into h will be the area required. Okay. Now, guys, given the values 4a, 5a, and 6a as the sides, you can calculate semi-perimeter, right? So semi-perimeter क्या हो जाएगा basically? Sum of all these values 4a plus 5 plus 6a divided by 2. That is semi-perimeter. And multiplied by the in radius, which is 3 in this case, right? You get the area of the triangle. Okay, if you equate these two, if you just equate these two values, you will get the value of h or the height. That is 7.5. It's as simple as that. Let's go on further, guys. Triangle ABC is right angled at B such that AB equals 20 and BC equals 21. A circle with center O is inscribed in the triangle, and perpendiculars OD, OE, and OF are drawn on AB, BC, and CA respectively. Find the ratio of areas of quadrilateral FOEC is to quadrilateral ADOF. Again, you can try it out, pause the video, and then resume. Okay, guys. Now, first things first. See, सबसे पहले तो हमें क्या find करना है? Okay, we are supposed to find the area of FOAC to area ADOF. अब guys, FOEC exactly है क्या? Let's draw the line segment OC and OA. Okay, अगर हम OC और OA draw करते हैं guys, so you can observe that by symmetry of the figure. Okay, and आगे भी सीखेंगे हम लोग. There are two congruent triangles. Okay, OFC and OEC. They are congruent triangles by the hypotenuse side test. Okay, you can also prove it right now. Okay, I have FOEC as nothing but twice OEC का area or twice OFC का area. Similarly, guys, ये ADOF क्या है? ADOF is twice the area of AOD, right? है ना? तो effectively I need to find out the ratio of area of triangle OEC to the area of triangle AOD. मुझे यही find करना है actually, right? Okay, now see how I do that, guys. एक चीज यहाँ पे हम ये देख सकते हैं कि it is given that AB is 20, right? So if guys AB is equal to 20 units in this case, okay, if AB is 20 and if AB is 20, guys, and the value of BC is 21, right? You know, basically it is a 20-21 triplet. Okay, so if you do not know, it's fine, you can apply Pythagoras theorem, but it's anyway the 20-21 triplet. So 400 plus 441 is 841, the root is 29, so this is 29, right? So Pythagorean triplets use करके Pythagoras theorem लगा के you can find out three sides. Okay, 20, 21 and 29. All right, now guys, if you observe carefully, the area of this triangle will be half into base into height. So half into 20 into 21 should be equal to in radius into semi-perimeter, right? So that's exactly what we'll do in this case, guys. Now I will try to find out the value of the in radius, because once I find out the in radius, I will be able to calculate the length of AD and the length of CE accordingly. Okay, let's see how. So first I calculate the area of triangle, half into base into height. So half into 20 into 21. Okay, that's how I calculate the area, half into base into height. And in radius R into semi-perimeter is 20 plus 21 plus 29 divided by 2. Okay, if you solve this, you're going to get the in radius का value r as equal to 6. अब guys, if you observe carefully, AD जो है, AD क्या है? AD is nothing but entire AB. Entire AB में से you are removing this r in radius, right? So AD will be AB minus R, which is 20 minus 6 equals to 14. In the same way, guys, B क्या हो जाएगा या फिर C क्या हो जाएगा in this case? Right? C क्या हो जाएगा in this case, guys? C will be equal to CB minus R. CB is nothing but 26 and R is 6. So CE is equal to 15. Okay, अब हमारा काम काफी आसान हो गया है. Okay, we can find area of triangle ADOF. Sorry, we can find out area of quadrilateral ADOF as twice the area of AOD. Okay, guys, AOD का area अब क्या हो जाएगा guys यहाँ पे? AOD का height we can just find out. Height is the in radius and base is AD जो हमने find किया है 14. So area is half into base into height, half into 14 into 6. Right? Similarly, you can find out area of the triangle OEC, half into 15 into 6. Okay, ये CE का value है 15. Okay, and OE is the in radius equal to 6. So area क्या हो गया? Half into base into height. Okay, उसका double कर दो. When you divide these two, you get the ratio as 14 by 15, and that's exactly what we set out to find out. Okay. Now, if you understood carefully, guys, मुझे पहले तो ये समझना है कि मुझे दोनों areas का ratio find करना है, OEC और AOD का. Okay, and to do that, I first need to find out the value of the in radius. Okay, if you have three sides of a right angle triangle, guys, always remember there is a quick shortcut to find the value of the in radius. That is a plus b minus c divided by 2. Calculating the in radius is basically a cakewalk. That is equal to 6. अब आगे सब same है. Very simple, right? So you can solve the question very, very easily as such. Okay, guys, let's go on further. The vertices of a triangle are 0, 0, 4, 0, and 3, 9. The area of the circle passing through these 3 points is okay. Now, guys, what is the area of the circle passing through 3 points? See, if these are the vertices of a triangle, you want the area of a circle that passes through all these 3 points. Okay, this circle is nothing but the circumcircle, isn't it, guys? So they're asking you what is the area of the circumcircle. For this, you need the circumradius, right? So guys, the whole idea here is to calculate the circumradius. Okay. Now, how do we do that? It's very simple. We use the concept that area is half base height multiplied by product upon 4 times circumradius, right? So that's exactly what we'll do right now. To find out the area by half into base into height, guys, we'll plot these points 0, 0, 4, 0, and 3, 9. So the triangle will be something like this. Okay. Guys, ये question हम coordinate geometry पहले solve कर चुके हैं, right? The base will be equal to 4 units and the height will be equal to 9. You can see this. Right? So base is nothing but 4 units and the height is 9. You can calculate the area is half into base into height, which is 18. Okay. Again, guys, for the product of sides upon 4 times the circumradius, we need to find out the length of these sides, right? अब देखो, अगर हमें AB निकालना है, AB बहुत simple है, BC बहुत simple है, and AC तो खैर बहुत simple है ही है. Okay, we'll be applying distance formula in case of AB. Okay, so 3 minus 0 whole square plus 9 minus 0 the whole square. Square root gives you 3 root 10. That is the length of AB. Okay, in the same way you need to find the length of BC now. Okay, BC में coordinates B का coordinates है 3,9 and C का 4,0. So 3 minus 4 the whole square plus 9 minus 0 the whole square equals to square root of 82. That is the length of BC. And AC though, guys, बहुत simple, right? The y coordinate दोनों का 0 है. Okay, only the x coordinate is there, 0 and 4. The value of AC is 4. Now you can equate them. Area of triangle equals to product of all sides upon 4 times circumradius. Okay, so circumradius का value यहाँ से हमको मिल जाएगा. Okay, you are equating this area to 18 जो हमने पहले निकाला हुआ है, right? So this area, right, guys, product of the sides 3 root 10, root 82, and 4. These three sides are getting multiplied. Divide by 4r. This area is equal to 18, right? जो हमने पहले निकाला हुआ है. So from here, as I said, you get the value of circumradius r. Okay, so when you solve this, you get r equals to root 10 into root 82 upon 6. They're asking you the area of circle. So area will be pi r square. So pi into r square will give you this value, that is 205 pi by 9. That is option 3.